What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another small, very small tutorial. Not so much a review. I got a lot of questions about the video I made of how to use your PS4 controller with your iPad Pro running iPadOs. And a lot of people wanted to know about the different types of games that I had. So I was running Asphalt 9, Sonic the Hedgehog 2, Rayman Adventures, and I even played Crazy Taxi. And a lot of people wanted to know exactly how I got those games and where I got them from. So there's actually an app called Ludu Mapp. Once you go to the App Store, you download this app. This app is going to be your best friend because it's going to basically tell you all of the different types of games you can download and play using your PS4 controller. Now, I'm just going to show you where I got the ones I got from. Rayman Adventures right here. This is actually free. You tap on that. Once you tap there, you hit the free button. It actually takes you into the App Store. You download it from here. Now, let's actually go back here. And I want to find Sonic. So the easiest way to find Sonic is to hit games. So you got a home screen, a game screen, and a tip screen. Game screen is where you're going to find all these games. Now, I have not downloaded any of the others like Fortnite or Doom, or I think NBA 2K19 is even on here. But Asphalt 9 right here. This is a game I've been playing. Let's see what else. I told you I was going to show you Sonic, and it's in here somewhere. I think you got to scroll all the way to the end, but there we go. Sonic the Hedgehog 2, this is the classic. It even has Golden Axe classics, Afterburner Climax, all old school retro type games. Sonic, hit it for free. I already have it. When you turn it on, so when you start the game up, this is the actual game right here. Touch to start. If you touch it, it actually get ready to start the game up. I don't want to buy it. I just want to play it. Start game. Game starts up. And I'm controlling right here. Back, forward, jump, spin dash, jump, just like that. Old school, right at the palm of your hand using your PS4 controller. Now, the cool thing about this is a lot of different type of game controllers can be used on this now, just because of iPadOs opening up that platform. So I suggest go out and try it for yourself. So one of my favorite games from back in the day would have to be Crazy Taxi. So press the game button, starts it up. You may have to watch an ad, play game, arcade. BD Joe. Okay, there you go, Crazy Taxi. I gotta get back used to these. Let's see, how do you change? Oh, there we go. Can we drive? Going the wrong way? Oh, there we go. So I'm controlling everything right here. See, car's moving, my fingers moving. I'm getting subscriptions. Somebody just subscribed. Appreciate the subscription. Okay, so we get the gist of it. This app is going to be your key to everything, though. So I'm going to drop this link below, Ludu Mapp. It's going to be a great app to help you find games that will actually work with your PS4 controller. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.